Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. What's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? As you can see, Dogecoin is slowly making its way higher as it makes higher highs and higher lows. So is this thing going to break out and go to the moon, right? With Shiba Inu? We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode. Yes, this is one of those strange Twilight Zone episodes. What? Shiba Inu? Dogecoin? What's that all about? Oh man, the meme coin episode. Yes, that's what it is today. We're doing a meme coin episode today. By the way, did you know you could actually trade Shiba Inu and Dogecoin with leverage on Bybit by going over to bybit.davincij15.com, and if you follow my link and my link only, you'll get a $3,500 deposit bonus, right? By heading over there and trading these two wonderful coins. And yes, actually, I was sitting down with. If you're watching me with through what's it called, Instagram, right? I'm DaVinciJ15 on Instagram. Watch out, there's a lot of scammers out there. In fact, I want to tell you guys one thing. I'm going to put this in the disclaimer. If you see anybody trying to tell you, hey, invest with me, Da Vinci, and trying to pretend to be me and saying, hey, invest, that's a lie. That's a scammer. Do not fall for that. Okay. All right. Let's head on to the charts for tonight and quickly go over. Well, as you can see, right, I did draw beforehand. I'm gonna get the actual drawing lines because you can see this is clearly, a what's it called, a rising wedge triangle here happening, right? Come on, you can do this. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Click. Yes. And yes. There you go. You can see we're here rising to the apex, right? You can say, I guess this is it right here, and you can draw this even all the way down to the beginning of this turn here, this W-ish turn, and of course, once this thing breaks out, Dogecoin is going for a run. Big run, right? You could say the target for Dogecoin once it breaks out. Of course, this could always break downwards, right? There's no guarantees on that. But most likely, since we are in a bull run situation here, you can see that Dogecoin could easily, from the breakout, head over to the 32 cent mark and probably even more. Heading over to the fibs, you can see that that's probably way above the 78.6, which also gives it some more oomph, right? As we blow through these two levels, this lower high. It started this downtrend, this original downtrend. So that would be a positive thing. Now, if we zoom out, you can see. Well, this is on the 4 hour, so you can see this thing is going to create a nice, fat, juicy W. Should it break out above the 35 cents mark. So look out for that. Now, if you're missing the W, okay, you can see it right here. Now, that doesn't mean it could break this W like that. It could end up creating another W formation before it actually breaks. So just keep that in mind. It might just come up to the 78.6, fail, then create a new W before it actually starts to blow off. So keep that in mind when you're trading Dogecoin. But there's definitely a trade up to the 32 cents mark coming to a theater near you on Dogecoin. Before we go on to the Shiba Inu coin, remember, I'm doing this live. I'm giving people a chance here to answer questions that they have on the stream. So if they want to come over and watch this live and have any questions, I will answer them right there. I'll be doing that at the end of the show. So make sure you subscribe to DaVinciJ15.com in order to get that premium subscription and also see what I'm trading and what my portfolio is. Oh boy! So let's before we go on to that, because I want to talk about what happened here in Bitcoin. In my last episode, I was saying, hey, you know what? The bears are going to go on life support. Man, they really, really juked the bears a lot. Every time they thought they were going to go down, they actually just bounced back up and really hurt them heavy all the way up. So I mean, it was like brutal. This green candle here, I was like, damn, that's just evil. I mean, they were like on intravenous all through this, man. And then when they thought, okay, this time we got them, nope. Man, the bears are getting hammered heavily every time they think they got this. It's not. Bitcoin's pumps are not making it easy for the bears. And at any moment in time, right? I want those bears out there to know this is Bitcoin. Watch out, bears. This is Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. We're coming closer and closer to a turning point here as the RSI has gotten a little bit overextended on Bitcoin. So I would be concerned here. I want to see how this thing looks on the Willy. I'd be interested to see that actually. Where's the Willy? Right here. Yes, the Willy has gotten really stupid on the 4 hour. I would look for a reversal here, but the problem is we don't have any kind of divergence, both on the MACD, both on the RSI and the MACD. I don't see. Let me see if there's any reversal here. Oh, maybe there is. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you could. I don't like the way it's coming in, but it is a reversal in the there's what's it called, divergence that is unconfirmed on the MACD. Not the greatest, but it is there, and you can see it gets confirmed when the MACD rises. The histogram rises higher than this level here. So once we break that level, that means it's confirmed on the MACD that the divergence is confirmed. So that's one thing you've got going for you as well for the Bitcoin price here with the 4 hour. So just keeping that in mind. All right, let's head over to Shiba. Oof, that was brutal. I was telling them, man, you know what? I think Shiba's got a little bit more to run. But when we saw the charts, when they showed me the charts at Chris and Mo's house, they were like, look at this top here. This fork in the road was like clear, like, yeah. It's done. It was completely done, right? That top should signal that somebody had a lot of Shiba to sell. And every time somebody wanted to buy it, they sold it. Excuse me. It's late for me here. It's like almost 12, so excuse my yawn. Well, anyways, it's you can see that was a clear shorting opportunity, and then Elon Musk was like, "Yeah, I need to get some. I don't have any. I need to get some. So I'm going to tell everybody I don't have any, so I can get some." I'm kidding. I don't know if he did buy it on this dip. I doubt it, but I'm sure he's just having fun with the market. He really crushed the price, helped crush the price even more. So, well, it's bouncing back right now. Shiba's bouncing back, and don't be surprised if we go into a little bit of consolidation phase here on Shiba. But I really think we've got a lot higher to go before Shiba is officially finished. Once again, you can trade Shiba and Dogecoin. You can go long, you can go short. You could do all kinds of black flips on this thing if you like, by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com, and you head over there, sign up, and you will definitely be a part of an elite group that can actually trade Shiba and Dogecoin on leverage. Now, I wouldn't suggest that you do that until there's a clear signaling patterns here. Of course, on Shiba, there was a clear signaling pattern just before this thing broke. You can see it was like clear as day. Look at that. It broke right at the apex. If you see this, you're like, what the? It just waited right until the end, and then boom, boom, and it exploded heavy. I was looking to buy back in this because I dumped some right about here, and I just didn't get a chance to. I was like really busy, and yeah, didn't get a chance to really look at this chart again. And then before it actually, I was like, oh, I was pissed when I was at Chris's house, and they said, "Did you see what happened with Shiba?" Oh no, I was looking for that. I was looking for an entry on that one. I was so looking for an entry, the re-entry, and I missed it. Well, that's it. That's all you can do, right? You can. I gotta let it go. Gotta let it go. I can't buy up here, right? Only noobs buy up here, right? You only buy down markets, right? If I could have caught this on at Chris's house, I would have tried to catch it. But I was like, I was just having fun with the guys, right, and chilling. So that was the plan for the evening, just hang out. Alrighty, so let's head over to the Bitcoin dominance, seeing what's going on. Yeah, we're bouncing off of support now, which was once resistance, right? Shocker. And we should be probably stuck in a range here, right? Hopefully we get stuck between these two support and resistance levels before we actually break down, but we might actually break up, so just keep that in mind. We could do a 78.6 Hail Mary once again. I doubt it, probably just a 61.8 before we actually roll over again. We're probably going to have an M out here on the dominance before we really see this thing really have some power down moves into the lower levels here. We want to see this thing come all the way down to the 39 level and break it, because then once we break that level, it's down to the 35 now. It's going to happen fast. The 35 is just going to happen just as fast as this. But the 35 is just the beginning of it. Once we break the 35, this level, this downward trend will look, you think it's steep? You wait until you see a large candle, a large daily candle come popping down, because that's what we're going to see. Just like we saw this large candle up, we're going to see a reversal in the negative. Down in after we break the 35% level. So look out for that coming with the alts. So make sure you've got your alts purchased, and because the little lady strategy is ripe for this moment in time for you, as you can pick up some alts on the cheap, priced in Bitcoin. Remember, right, you want to pick up alts on priced in Bitcoin, and so that you can sell half on a double in Bitcoin. Why is that? Well, you want to earn Bitcoins in the end of the day, not more dollars. Now, I know these shorting is giving you dollars, but right. You could always keep your dollar. Once you win, you can always convert it back to Bitcoin right away. Right? Remember, Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.